Did you see Samantha going up the hill?
Yeah, we talked to her.
Oh, okay. I want the yam buyer.
You must sell your yam?
Me have one piece of land.
You
You
must
know.
buy that yam for you?
No. Me have one piece of land. But the land, the foreign of the hills.
You?
And enough land, more than buy now. People see things, more than they just buy one little piece. And enough land, more buy man. No mother and father them buy.
So, how do people track these land? You're the only one that knows them.
No man, I never want to know them. Everybody know them. All of them get all the foreign know them too.
Yeah.
Also your mother know them too.
So we can't go there and just plant pawpaws?
Yes man. Clean them up out them, but this is a piece of land you know. The far in one hill back over so. So you have to the land now.
Because you have to go through the hills.
Yes.
Like a mile, 2 miles.
2 miles. So you want to it now. Because the people them with the back on that side have easier access to the land more than we, but I feel with the land. So look at this here, it's going to stand this until it on crown land. Crown land means if me stop go there, not even Denny now go there. You understand?
Anybody can take it.
So anybody can take it. So but as Somali and them pay the taxes them for the land. So last year, December now when they come to this, I'm going to rent it to one man. So as to keep it up. Because they grew up in a wild bush. So if you rent a man the land, we will clean up your worky. So for the next 5 or so years, some of the generation come and want you give notice to come out for your place.
Yes.
Simple that. So this man wants to rent for another, but he now come up with no money. So this man now, here say, the land are rent. So him now, at least the whole of them build take it slight because you the problem with the land now. Pops, what tell?
It's about an acre. Give thanks. Jamaica seat there.
Yeah, man.
Every day I eat avocado with Baba. That's why you see me now run going away yet. I want Tanya so for the whole vacation. You know, see me not run away yet. You know, see me not gone. Because the food and the experience and the vibe is the most natural and most... I've been eating food here for, in the backyard here for now about 5 years, 6 years. We've been coming. People see me drink sorrel.
Yeah.
Them see me drink pick sorrel a bush.
They see you we part and beat coffee.
And now where I eat caramel dumpling with a whole avocado. We not do it with a little slice, you know, a big man so. With the whole pear.
Whole pear. Bush cabbage.
We have bush cabbage.
Yeah.
No black pepper.
No black pepper.
Black pepper bad for you.
Onion, garlic, tomato.
Oh, after you eat the bush cabbage.
Well, when you eat after dinner,
No fight no there one there so.
but you go up here, and then you go them there,
Okay.
and you have a pan heat up there. So we can't even 2 times a week.
So you should have eat more of this. This
Yeah,
is what you
man.
eat.
Good, man. We say good for you, man. It's
Yeah.
good for your body, man. Because if you cook it by itself alone, you know, you don't know why it, you know, when you taste it. But the other is ingredients like onion, garlic, kind of tomato. Them dip out the beet fish out tight. But you still have in taste.
Now this life, the only thing you can really teach a picnic them is how to feel themselves. Anytime the world can pop down, you know.
Take care of their body.
Plant, how to survive, how to heal themselves. That's why I record all the herbal stuff. Because I know, you know, at one point enough for my daughter generation, you know, this world I go pop down, you know.
Yes, man.
To nothing, you know. And you see when it pop down to nothing, No generator not go there for no hospital, you know.
Babylon system, man.
Generator not go there for no hospital, you know. Enough people have gone run back in the bush, you know.
Going back in the bush. No, but the mindset of the people, Babylon, the people that they believe it will continue forever. Because that's the mindset, you know.
Nothing lasts forever. So no people look and say, Randy, how come I not see that video with no woman?
Oh.
Look where I come from. Look for my estate, look for my royalty, look for my naturality. You think say any woman a come in here so? Come live?
Woman. No, if you have woman. But
No man. Me's an extreme man. Me extreme. Life extreme, you know. Life not just easy. Life extreme, you know. When you go Babylon and so them I go on with subway station, 31 years me top in a subway station, brethren. Big rat. And hot. When the big rat look pine in the subway, the homeless come near you and the smell hit you. You never smell a stink man like when me smell in a New York. You never smell stink yet. You there in Jamaica. You wealthy. The man armpit never there in your face yet. For 1 hour. People never there in front of you and not even say hello.
what's up in Jamaica?
Babylon.
How the subway operate.
Babylon real. It real, man. What people trade money for. And the longer you're in it, the longer you're in it, the wiser you become. The whole world now is turned to a traffic jam. Jamaica, Africa,
Whole world.
the whole world.
Whole world.
So you spend 1 hour a day in a traffic with your foot, no rotation. The rich man and helicopter and go.
Gone out, fly out.
The rich man use the ambulance them to get you. When you don't know say him in there.
You fly out in the ambulance.
In a helicopter.
Oh.
Hey Denny, them smell you, you know.
Watch ya. Then he come in.
Them smell you, you know they.
Yes, man. Chacha, and then he come in turn up on his back foot.
Denny have been picking them, you know. Or Denny picking them that.
Yes, and then he come in turn up. Yeah.
And a ball for no reason.
Yes, for no reason. You don't get no lick.
I see him like humans, you know.
You might watch his master, man. Master come.
Then you feed them from them liquor, them the 2 liquor pigs.
Yeah, man, 2 little pig we come in. What the animal using is his sensation. He sniff you.
Yeah.
Once he sniff you one time, he done with it. He ain't gonna sniff you one time, or if you just want to feed him one time, he done with it. Anytime he's around him, no. And that's a dog turn too. No matter what dog bad, you know. And if you master can you go in the yard and you feed the dog the one time, I don't. You can't go back there, you want to go pull the gate and feed him. Because you hold the scent in your odor in your nose. So as you go through the gate, you see that jump up, wiggle up your
So that's why some man don't make nobody feed them dog.
No, you can't feed him dog. You're not even supposed to go out man yard like you see bones now. And cut piece of food to give the cat. But if you go see him, if you see you, I throw food give dog. You mad? You never invite you back on yard, man. Because he want to know say when you go through that gate, it was over him still can't carry you back through the gate. Once you start to feed him dog, you can't come on yard when you're there. Because the dog won't know you. Because dog always look for food for imperial from somebody, you know. Yeah, man. So, if you give him food one time, you say, yes, that's my master. You see her come in time with no tail and I jump up. Look how many swing us on in quiet and never say nothing.
Because we don't feed him.
I know it. I know it. Right? Aye.
You have to grow a dog from a puppy.
Yeah, man.
Look upon him now. Like him already to jump out of that, you know. We have to build that higher soon.
And food you want to know then it come. So you go, master. Tomorrow you get in feed. See, so you could peel the skin. Anything like that, satisfying, you don't go and say, cast and control they give them now, you know. Isn't that, you have to tell you, so you have to fill the bucket of feed and give him. So anything when you throw it down, once you bend down your face and start, you raise up back again in good. Yeah. But as long as you smell it, these hours, for you know hours, you know. And you say for a couple of minutes for now, you know, so then you come and get up this and start ball, you never touch them again.
So, Baba, further down a year one?
Just right back behind the pen, right behind the pen.
That's it?
Yes, go down to the PhD. That's it.
Cause you know, here's another thing that I find hard to believe. This is why it take real. If me know say pig rearing is a profiting thing in Jamaica, they wouldn't have a big pin pen down in a Siblis. Big.
I got big business in Jamaica, man. Just like how you see tourists.
So you have to just go over there go feed them.
Hug.
The deep in
Oh, see that. I got business like how you see tourists. Business around, man. What the money I say, man? I got business like how you see tourists come to Jamaica. Remember I said Jamaica export pork, you know, like crazy, you know.
So if Baba, this is what I say. If me build up the thing them there already are Siblis. If me build up, I have a big hog pen.
Big hog pen over there.
Siblis.
Yes.
With water and plant stuff for them eat too.
I like all a man like all, you know, we can get contacts with the hotel. Then. You know, just make some bam 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 and look your market. And they must send you order for your computer. Oh, we need 500 for a post this week. Next week, or next man I call it. You're a big business, man. You know, the man said Jamaica is one of the most advanced countries in the world now. Investors, the whole world I said that. You never see a country that move like Jamaica with investors. They are called invest.
And get the money back.
And get back their money. But sometimes the negative, sometimes...
Because hotel alone, the chicken.
Alright.
Hotel alone with hog.
Alright, so for instance, Jamaica, you see, can't raise the amount of chicken for not even feed yourself much as you want to put it. A foreign chicken coming out telling you. You think a few local chicken can't feed the 3 million people in Jamaica? Come every day thing, you know. So they have to import chicken from abroad.
3 million chicken a day.
3 million people
2 million
in Jamaica.
chicken a day.
Right, so we all get 3 million chicken. Jamaica can't produce. They have this company in a town. How do they place name, man? They raise hog by the 1,000. By the 1,000, them employ people like crazy. You watch the documentary on TV and see what them have hog.
What them feed them with? They feed them?
Yeah, man.
Are they full feeding them feed them with?
No, the hog feed.
Hog have special feeding.
They not go buy bag feed, you know. They not buy feed by the bag, you know. They buy feed by the ton. And then build the task, like we say they have a fire in the place.
Okay.
And the truck come fully.
Okay, like grain.
Yes, I know grain, a feeding. It come from master mix. Because they're the big of a truck where you spin this upon, you know, you can feed you. Come pour you out in the heat. Remember what they call this in them?
You can order it and they come around yourself?
Yeah, man. As long as you have a feed the truck empty it out, you know.
So you can just buy a container and you put it in the container?
Yeah, you must. If you go all over go to flour mill out of feeding factory. You know, got to go buy your 5 or your 10 ton of feeding and your 3 ton of feeding. I want to cake come and come pack up in your container. I'll be feeding them. You have got Christian money and you get it cheaper too. So maybe you not even pay $1,000 bag when you buy it.
No, you need a water for them.
All you need is water.
You give them the water with the bleach thing too?
Yeah, man. I do them, man. Do not tell them I do them get water from. Yeah, man.
They never kill one of them yet.
We'll kill on it.
You don't know the experience.
We want to kill a big one now.
Then you don't have the experience.
A killing hog. We used to raise no for guy yard already, you know. And the first it had. And that's why it depended on them. We used to raise 17 hog on the same.
So when you kill the big one, you know, the big one to keep reproducing.
No, so we are changing the breed. No, but we are picking it for him already, you know.
And then picking the way.
Yes. Because all of them picking the one this one for him. The red one, them do hard a female.
But to make it really profitable, you have about 50 or 60. To make it really profitable.
You have to raise about
60 or 50.
Yeah, man, all 100 you can raise, man, as long as the market is there for him. And the market we want to find out, you know. What may I tell you, see? You see? Let me tell you this. Let me put another thing to you. Sometimes you talk some things, people look like say where you see a fool. If you come out like in a carpet here, like in a man living, or some corners, find a good place and lease it and build up a jerk pork shop.
Yeah.
In no time you're a billion. No sell a Jamaica jerk pork, you know?
No. That's why you have porky. Porky beard, you know?
Yes, no selling this, not even chicken no sell like a pork. Because people love pork more than chicken. Because the pork is a stronger meat and a white meat. So if you can get a place and you have a good place and build up a jerk shop and get on the equipment from abroad and start run a jerk shop, you have to do the sit up back and people are work and run the field. And quick time you make money, man. You just have one big pen and a sibling and you raise 100 people. Because you know raise them till they're big, say, you know? As they reach 50 pounds, you kill them. And you have a hell of a long deep freeze in your place, so you just kill them and
50 pounds?
Yeah, because the meat 10 at a time. Easier for jerk. When the meat tough, big like them they have, it's harder for jerk. Jerk pork off is soft and tender. So when a hog start reach 60, 70 pounds, that's where you then kill them for jerking. So you have a whole lot of things you can do in Jamaica and just make money like crazy.
What about fish in Manchester?
Yeah, man, people raise fish,
in
man.
Them tank?
Fish pan. No, in a tank. They dig out the dirt and drop them on something in it. And buy water full up your race. You see fish them when we have there? When we eat? A water they raise it in the earth there, and in the dirt they raise them.
In Manchester?
Yes, they have fish pan all about, man. Just dig out a big place. And they have some net with they carry. If you buy from a radar. And you just drop it down in it like about maybe 10 feet. And you see Chuck come pour water in there and then buy the fish baby them and throw them in there and feed them with bag feed. You see government invest a whole lot of money in a fish rearing now, man. And give people money for raise fish, man. Because as much fish in the sea feed the population. So they might raise fish in the land.
Farmers. The real farm. Real farm. Them quiet.
You think quiet, young man? You don't have to give no for feed, man. But in the time when you get in feeding, just start make up a night. My friends are trying to come feed me now. Stomach will get empty.
You know, so the caramel dumpling was great. The food was amazing. You know, and caramel don't feel too heavy for your stomach. You know.
No, what caramel do is build your stomach.
It build it.
If your stomach bad, Sweet pan caramel. Bring it right up back. If you got doctor and doctor say I develop a stomach, don't worry about him, just start feed pan caramel.
Caramel.
Yeah. Bring back your stomach to a new brand stomach.
Wow. Fix the wall them.
Fix back the wall of your stomach. When you boil the porridge, just boil it black to put nothing in it.
What do you mean?
I mix up the caramel and boil it and drink with little sugar. Coarse. That's how we build back your stomach.
No sugar.
Yeah, you can add a little sugar to it, but not plenty. And you build up the wall and then place of your stomach. And make your stomach get back strong. You work at the caramel.
To the trumpet leaf them there for goat. You used to cut them for goat, you know.
And cow.
The one thing with goat, you know. But them not for start make sense after the goat them. You see them tag the goat them, you know.
Yes, man. Jamaica really, you know, man. Everything a tag, you know. Everything a number. A Babylon system, you know, man. A man get tagged, you know.
From jail.
Oh, no, then you not get tagged too.
Yeah, me have a number.
Yeah, you get tagged, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Now Babylon that count you off. A Babylon count you off, you know. That's why they can't tell about how much million people in Jamaica and how much this, how much that. Tag, they tag you. Count you off. So they deal with it, they tag you, count you off. You know the Castor Stein, Augustus Caesar, you know, him first bring in count off, you know, population census. Can't want to know how much people did that, how much money man collect a year.
Taxes.
Taxes.
Life is about tax and debt.
Tax and debt.
Right. That's why the jerk poke people make them look at cash them. So see you?
Tax them. Tax them.
Yeah. Tax and debt, you know. This whole life.
This whole life. Tax and debt.
Traditionally around here, them not, you know, in some communities where they have like a festival, right, for the community where you see people, kids, them, like in Mexico, you have your pinata and a donkey, and the kids them come and beat the donkey, and them festival, them just in costume. While you growing up, you never, you guys call it Grand Market.
Grand Market, but I'm going to say you have Grand Market December. Grand Market day 24 day of December.
So what is that like?
Big celebration. The man will never left in yard from January. He have to go Grand Market day. Big festive grand celebration. All the Jankuno, all the this, all the everything that road Grand Market day.
Because there's a Grand Market night set up also.
And the set up in the night make you rather rest.
Drinking,
Lord,
food.
so they got a Christian.
Yeah.
They got a Mandeville. They have to block off and right down at the road about out. You have to walk going to the town if you want to go tonight.
Miles of walking.
Yes. So if you want to come home, you have to walk for a Mandeville town, come back out and run about.
In a Mandeville town?
Yes, you catch back out and
In a Mandeville?
Yes.
Must be taxi, man.
The amount of people were there. No. Make everybody buy their Christmas food. They make time food silly. When you go in the supermarket, you turn up in a one line and 4 hours to get a cash.
4 hours.
4 hours to get a cash. Yo, when you go, when Grand Market day, if you left yourself 5 o'clock, when you catch a Christian in line, already long catch over yonder already. Man did it from 3 o'clock.
For meat
and wait for the door open. At the Western Union, me attack.
Oh. People get the money.
Yes, every family that brother send them Christmas money. And people, especially some of them send it to the Grand Market, they are killing there. So you have to go in the town. And they go see man, all man are jack down in a line.
Yeah. You see people dropping line already?
Jack down in a line to collect the little money.
The tradition.
Tradition way.
You know, I must say that my family, including my mother, they've sent a lot of money to Jamaica.
Yes,
There's
man.
one thing, a tradition I noticed with her and my aunt, you know, and we start to go into that tradition. Me now connect with you guys, try to,
Yeah, man.
you know, get into that. Some of our family member, not really
They're not buying to it.
understand
Yes.
the tradition, because if you know of something here to fix up your place, to push you a little further, when we come, there's going to be nothing. So it's a circle, it's a cycle, right?
A cycle, man.
Yeah,
Let me tell you, when it come like all right, let me tell you, it's like how we there now.
yeah,
No, all right, October.
yeah.
All right. When November and December come, they know the Christmas drum start to beat. As you see November comes, so bam, Christmas drum start beat. When me talk about Christmas carols they on radio.
Yeah.
So everybody now realize say, yes, this is it. Christmas around the corner. Every man start shape up now. Every man start putting himself together. For Christmas is just around the corner, because November is short month. Right? But one thing we always look forward to is the Christmas money. Because we know say. We know say. And sometimes when I do December 15 come, I will not see no money because you have time used to pass, you know.
Yeah.
We start trust on the Christmas money, you know, before you come to, you know. We start got shop with yourself from
November 1st.
November 1st. Because we know say, but gradually you see life change. But we start trust on the Christmas money there. And we know say until them send the money come. We know say by the time the 22nd or the 23rd, them they wait there, you hear somebody call and say, so later that town, you know. Baba, the letter them up a town, you know, how you will get them? So they find a way and send it a town. Somebody, they see somebody come down and they say, drop off them at such a place. So when they reach a town now, all letters distribute from Kingston. But no, Marlin, them a come out, no. So as you hear, say, they drop a man to go be, you know. Bam, they call it. Master, they come money there. So when you go down there, you know, and you got a mobile and get a one shoe to the American line, man. They laugh, you know. A big fish, that's for the Christmas, you know. You can't come home and go to Christmas, you know. You change your money and buy up your grocery for Christmas Day. You know, when Christmas Day come and I decide, like we are so. And when you come in a house, go see food.